In this video tutorial, we're installing Instagram on your trusty device. Whether you're a first-time Instagrammer or looking to reinstall the app, we've got you covered with step-by-step instructions and expert tips. So, grab your iPhone and let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure your iPhone is compatible with the Instagram app. Instagram supports iPhones running iOS 12.0 or later. Now, it's time to head to the App Store, the official app market for iPhones. Tap on the App Store icon on your home screen, which resembles a blue square with a white A inside. Once in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Instagram. A list of search results will appear, with the official Instagram app at the top. Here, you'll see the Get or Install button. Tap on it to download and install the Instagram app. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID or Face ID for authentication. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Instagram icon on your home screen. Tap on it to launch the app. You may be prompted to allow Instagram to access your location and notifications. Tap on Allow or OK to proceed. If you already have an Instagram account, you can tap on Log In and enter your username and password. If you're new to Instagram, tap on Create New Account to create a new account. You can use your email address, phone number, or Facebook account to create your Instagram profile. Follow the on-screen instructions. I will use the email. After you write your password, date of birth, and some other info, you will be able to create a new account. Once you're signed in, you're all set to start using Instagram. Explore the various sections of the app, such as your feed, explore page, direct messages, and profile. Share photos and videos, connect with friends, and discover a world of inspiration and creativity. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Instagram on your iPhone. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.